This is the failure mode of this type of light bulb. Got quite a few of these in my house, and a lot of them have started flickering. This is the first one that's flickered slow enough that I could actually capture it on video and not have it dismissed as a glitching video. But it's not a loose connection. Contacts aren't dirty. Take a good one and put it there. Bad one here. You can even see that there's several elements out on this one even when it's on. And there it goes. It is definitely the bulb that's bad. Doesn't appear to be a loose connection. Something else has gone wrong.